Hey everyone, welcome back to another video in the series of how to get through the Senior Math Challenge. And these kind of questions are great for, GCSE as well, up in your game in A-level or GCSE. Give you the edge and give you more tools in your toolkit. Now, this particular one is on something, circle theorems. We all need to know them. If you're going to do your Senior Math Challenge, they need to be at the, your fingertips, ready to use. There's a few different nuances. We all know the standard circle theorems. One of the clearest ones, or one of the most simple ones that we know, is the diameter across the center there. And we know it's the diameter because it goes through the center and it's a straight line from edge to edge. And if you draw a triangle that touches the edge of that circle at the top, then that is most definitely going to form a right angle, and it doesn't matter where it is. So it could be over here, for example, and it still creates that right angle, which is a beautiful theorem. Or the cyclic quadrilateral, making sure that all of those vertices of the quadrilateral actually touch the circumference of the circle. And then we have the rule that if we have the angle here, then this is going to sum to 180 with its opposite. And so we get this relationship where we have 180 take away that angle. You could say that they both add up to 180. This is the alternate segment theorem. It just shows that if you have a tangent, which is a straight line just touching the circle at one point, and from that particular point where it touches, we have a triangle on the inside, then the relationship is true that the angle that is made with the triangle and the tangent here is the same as the opposite angle inside the triangle in here. So you can imagine that it's also true going the other way. This one, for example, is going to be the same as which one inside? Yep, you guessed it. If we call that y, then y is over here. The alternate segment theorem is sometimes hard to see, so look out for it. Now, instead of going this way round, knowing what our circle theorems are, sometimes we have to go backwards. And this is why it's very useful to look at circle theorems before explaining this. So if you look at this right angle triangle now, yes, it can be just a right angle triangle, but if a circle was circumscribed around the triangle, this could open up a different type of question or a different way of viewing it, which could help you problem solve your situation. So looking at AB, and we'll draw the midpoint roughly there, and we can see that that would be the center of the circle where A to B is the diameter. Let me get rid of all the rest of the working out so we can actually see that. So this is actually rather clear to see. You can see that the diameter is A to B, and this is true of any right angle triangle. This might open up different areas. Thank you so much for watching this, and make sure you subscribe so that you can see the next video coming out soon in this series.